We have finished all of our work for term 2 already, so this week we're just going to be doing revision of the things that we've already done. Today's date is 27-07-2020, and we are going to be doing the 3 times table. So what you'll need for today is your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker and your blue maths books. So pause the video and quickly go and get those things. Okay, so who remembers what a times table is? It is groups. So if I have 6 stars, how many groups am I going to have? I'll have 1 group and 2 groups of 3. So 2 groups of 3 is 6, or 2 times 3 is 6. So remember to use your groups and counting in those numbers. So let's practice our times tables together. I want you to pause the video and I want you to write your 3 times table on your whiteboard from 0 up until 36, and then we are going to go through it on the video together. So 1 group of 3 is 3, which is 1 times 3. 2 groups of 3 is 6, which can be written as 3 plus 3 or 2 times 3. So these show you the different ways that we can say our times tables: groups, repeated addition, or multiplication sum. So we have 3 groups of 3 is 9, 3 plus 3 is 9, and then 3 times 3 is 9. 4 groups of 3 is 12. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12, and 4 times 3 is 12. 5 groups of 3 is 15, and there you can see plussing all the 3's, and 5 times 3 is 15. So the next is 6 groups of 3 is 18, repeated addition, and 6 times 3, so all of them equal 18. Seven groups of 3 is 21. There's the repeated addition, and the times table: 7 times 3 is 21. 8 groups of 3 is 24. The repeated addition, and then 8 times 3 is 24. 9 groups of 3 is 27. The repeated addition equals 27, and 9 times 3 equals 27. 10 groups of 3 is 30. There's the repeated addition, and 10 times 3 is 30. Then we have 11 groups of 3 is 33. Look at the long repeated addition at 33, and then 11 times 3. And lastly, we have 12 groups of 3 is 36, the repeated addition, and 12 times 3 is 36. I'm sure you got that all on your whiteboard or your times tables. Now let's look at our work for today. Okay, complete page 50 in your blue maths books. Write the date and the heading at the top is 27-7-2020. And you're also going to do a page of bonds, and remember to time yourself and no help. So if you look at your sheet here, you're going to color in all the multiples of 3, and remember, multiples of 3 is what you're counting. So you're going to color in 3, and then 6, 9, 12, 15. So carry on all the way to 100 and see if you can see what the pattern is. And at the bottom, there's a few bond sums to do, and you're going to do your bonds in your book. All right. So have a super day, and I'll see you tomorrow for some more revision.